As the 2010s drew to a close, electric vehicle transportation grew significantly, especially with electric bikes and scooters. Around that time in 2018, FLYE e-bike began in New York. It is a company looking to position itself to ride the growth of electric transportation. Electric vehicles, or EVs for short, don't just provide the benefit of reduced pollution, they also contribute to reducing traffic when it comes to the personal transportation category with e-bikes and e-scooters. As battery and motor technology keep advancing, this kind of transportation becomes more widespread. Then at the same time, the rise of e-commerce and online shopping have driven demand for package deliveries. Personal EVs like e-bikes and e-scooters are well adapted to meet this demand for the increased volume and frequency of package deliveries, while doing so in a way that lowers pollution and road congestion when compared to delivery with traditional vans and trucks. The rise of e-bike and scooter sharing services, along with government policies such as subsidies for EVs and tax benefits for buying EVs, have also contributed to favoring growth of the industry. FLYE e-bike has benefited from these conditions to develop their niche market share that primarily consists of food delivery workers who need to get around congested streets without any delays. So far, this demographic of customers has been concentrated around the New York City area, where most of FLYE e-bike stores are also located. In general, most stores are located in the United States. One is located in Canada, along with plans to expand into South America and Europe. Vehicle components mainly come from China and the United States, with vehicles assembled in a leased facility located in Brooklyn, New York, which is set to be replaced in the near future. With increasing demand, the company is searching for a larger assembling facility. As FLYE e-bike continues to strive for a diverse range of products for different urban travel scenarios and to adapt to market trends and technological updates, they develop and add new products to meet customer needs, while also regularly introducing upgrades and refreshes to their existing models. Though such ambitions are not without their challenges and risks. The large number of components sourced from China entails depending on those Chinese suppliers to deliver on schedule in sufficient volumes and at price and quality levels that are acceptable to FLYE e-bike. Moreover, there is a reliance on XFT, a primary vendor in China, which is one of the main third parties providing quality control on the parts sourced from China. In short, product production largely rests on this supply chain arrangement. The potential of tariffs or a global trade war are certainly cause for concern when it comes to macro risks that can be detrimental to competitiveness. The health of the supply chain will definitely be an important influence on the company's ability to economically produce their vehicles at scale at sufficient quality. Only time will tell if growing demand can be met without sacrificing the quality to price ratio that has been developed from the experiences of early customers. More broadly speaking, FLYE e-bike and its peers in the relatively new EV industry are heavily dependent on whether demand for EVs is sustained. Demand for EVs is not simply a question of the willingness of consumers to use them, but also factors such as evolving regulations. Regulations around EVs change almost as fast as their underlying technologies. For example, EVs can be limited in terms of speed regulations and the infrastructure they can travel on. Realistically speaking, it is difficult to reliably predict how things will play out for FLYE e-bike due to them being in the still relatively new EV industry and in general a young company. That being said, there is an advantage from being established in 2018, which is still considered quite early in the world of EVs. During that transition into the 2020s, the continued growth of e-commerce and online shopping, coupled with increased demand for food deliveries during the COVID-19 lockdown, accelerated expansion in a favorable environment, specifically for the use of e-bikes. This allowed for building brand reputation. Nowhere has this been stronger than in New York City, where their first loyal customer base grew, mainly due to satisfaction with a broad range of new products and upgrades to existing designs that are consistently being rolled out. Currently, a FLYE e-bike app is in development to allow for better communication between customers and products by managing services through mobile software for EVs. The goal is to bring users a comprehensive, intelligent experience to create a safer and more satisfying riding life. Also in the works is FLYE e-bike Care, an extended warranty program that intends to be an insurance policy, as well as providing customers with continuous maintenance services beyond the manufacturer and battery warranty period. Moving ahead, the company aims to build on their early foothold in New York City by focusing on food and package delivery workers. Improving brand recognition will be a key focus in this endeavor. It will involve a continued commitment to customer service and enhancing the shopping experience by maintaining and upgrading retail stores. There are also plans to open more flagship stores in high-traffic retail locations in New York City and other major cities in the United States in an effort to further elevate the quality of their brand messaging. On top of that, more accessories are going to be offered, such as brand apparel, which could also involve collaboration with other lifestyle brands from different industries in order to further promote FLYE e-bike's brand image. Additionally, service offerings are going to broaden by using existing retail stores as logistics hubs for small package delivery. At the moment, there is a search for business partners to execute this plan. The EV industry is definitely still emerging and likely to keep rapidly evolving. FLYE e-bike will be one of the players to watch in this sector, especially as it received a boost of attention after going public, trading under the symbol FLYE on the NASDAQ. Like its peers in the EV industry, the company will have challenges and risks ahead, which they must manage, while also leveraging their strengths. To learn more about FLYE e-bike, head over to their website, linked under this video. For more coverage of new businesses, along with stock market and crypto news, please stay tuned.